Everyone, please keep your audio in muted mode and your video on. Okay. When I ask you questions, you can unmute and give me your response. So, good afternoon, dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Afternoon, ma'am.
So, shall we start the class? What did we discuss in the last class? What did we discuss? Who can tell me?
Ma'am, we discussed the homework.
We discussed the homework. What was the homework?
Ma'am, the
The
homework
quotes,
Yes.
like 5 quotes by
Yes, yes.
Leo Tolstoy.
So in the last class, we discussed about Leo Tolstoy and we discussed the homework that I gave you, that is quotes. Okay, so today we are moving into the chapter. Do you know the title of our chapter?
Ma'am, the little
Little
girls
girls
are
are
not.
wiser.
Little Girls Are Wiser. This is a short story written by Leo Tolstoy.
Leo
Okay.
Tolstoy.
So before we move into the story, I would like to give you a small activity which is there in your textbook. I want all of you to open your notebook and write. Okay, a small writing activity that we are going to do. You should not consume much time, but then you have to do it quickly. Okay, the question is, imagine that two of your classmates are fighting and you would like to stop the argument. So what solutions you will find in order to solve their fight? That is a question. So quickly write in points. What can you say to them in order to solve their fight? Please mute, everyone, please mute and do your work. Fast.
Can you repeat the question? Ma'am, can you
Yes.
please say the activity once more?
Yes, I will repeat. Imagine two of your friends are fighting. Okay, two of your classmates are fighting in the class and you would like to stop that argument, you would like to stop that fight. So what would you say to them in order to stop their fighting?
Ma'am, can we write the names of the particular person in the dialogue?
uh, we don't need any dialogue, but then you just simply write in sentence. What solution would you give to them, or what kind of advice you would give to them to make them uh, calm down from that fighting situation? Quickly write.
Textbook itself.
In the textbook or in the notebook, I don't mind. You can write either in the textbook or in the notebook. But just give me few sentences, one or two sentences as a means of advice for your friend so that they would stop their fighting. Okay. Has anyone finished?
No, ma'am.
Write fast. Somebody else's audio is not muted. So that sound is coming. Children, we don't want any unwanted sounds coming through. It should be an advice or it could be a solution for their problem. Anything. Anything that helps the people to stop their fighting. Yes? Oh, Harriet is having a good smile on face. Yes, Harriet. Finished? Those who are finished, just raise your hand. At least one sentence. At least one sentence. Yes, Brisa. Very good. Brisa has finished.
Ma'am, what?
Read out your answer.
I've written that, but now it's very like a dialogue, something like.
Okay, fine. It's a kind of dialogue. All right. You can read it out.
Uh,
No problem.
like I'll just narrate the story. What happened? Like what happened is, one of my friend gave a pencil
One
to
of
another.
my friends. That's the usage, correct usage.
One
Yes.
of my friends gave a pen to a person, and then like he lost it. So like they're fighting. So I'm telling, hey, stop fighting. Are you small children to fight?
Mm.
And then I say like, it's okay. I'll buy a new pencil.
Very good, very good. Oh, very brilliant work, Brisa.
Thank you.
Brisa was
Ma'am.
able to find out a situation and
Ma'am,
then
ma'am.
write a dialogue. Wait. Are you ready to give?
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
What you wrote?
No, I wrote it very nicely, Ashish. Don't tell it bad.
Ashish, you will be the one fighting. Then why you want to solve it?
Ah, that's not fair.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
You're muted. Ma'am, you're muted. Ma'am, you're muted.
Ma'am, I think you're muted.
Okay, dear children, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Actually, I did
Yes,
not know
ma'am.
it happened automatically. Okay, the system was restarting, so it took some time. That technical issue was going on. That is why between the connection was lost. Okay, so we were discussing about what Brisa has written. So very good job, Brisa. What about
Thank
others?
you,
Shravana?
Ma'am, I wrote.
Shravana?
Ma'am, I wrote, ma'am.
Wait. Let me give chance to others as well. Shavana,
Yes, ma'am.
finished?
No, ma'am, I was so late, so I
Okay.
don't.
Sian,
Yes,
Sian
ma'am.
Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's
Ma'am,
read out what you have written. What
Ma'am,
solution would you find
ma'am,
to stop the friends fighting?
ma'am, mine is exactly the same as Vrisa.
Oh my God, what a coincidence. Exactly the same as Brisa.
ma'am. She
Okay.
copied me.
That's not possible. You're all sitting at your houses. So copying is not possible. Okay, maybe you both have the same thinking process going on, or the same issue might have happened in the class or something like that. All right, Anandu, yes,
Ma'am, I only got one.
you only got one solution. What is the solution that you got?
I will tell them to be on an agreement.
You will tell them
To be on an agreement.
be on an agreement. Okay, be on an agreement. Okay, all right. Devika,
Yes, ma'am.
read out your answer fast.
Have to
Hmm?
hear both of them's problem.
You will listen to both of the problems.
Problems.
Okay.
Yeah, and as a friend, we have to
Hmm.
find a solution. We all have to find a solution,
Okay.
which is agreement for both of them.
Okay.
Ma'am, then
Okay. You will listen to the
try to
problem
explain.
from the side of both of your friends, and then you will try to find a solution. All right. Has anyone written some advices that you can give to your friends? Harriet?
Can you just give me a minute? Just a
Sure.
minute.
Sure. Yes, Ananya. Now it's your turn. Ananya K. Vijesh.
Ma'am,
Mm.
ma'am, I wrote same as Devika what she wrote.
Okay. Thought process are almost the same. Saneka, anything else different?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I also wrote the same as Devika.
My goodness, why don't you think differently? Okay.
Ma'am, first I think and wrote it, then that same thing
Okay,
itself.
Smriti has something to say. Yes, Smriti?
Ma'am, I would tell them to solve the problem somewhere private.
Very good, very good. That's a good
Themselves so
answer.
that others won't be disturbed.
Okay, okay. So you will ask them to solve their problems in private so that others won't be disturbed. Okay, that's cool. That means the class will not be affected by their fight. But will you be giving some advice for them to stop their fight rather than fighting in private? Will you be giving some advice for them? What do you think, Smriti?
Ma'am, then I wrote the same what Devika told.
Okay, okay, okay. So anybody has written a different answer? Devaganga? No, no response. Okay, all right. So you can always give advices like don't be too angry, calm down, cool,
Excuse me, ma'am.
relax. Yes,
Ma'am, Emily.
you can tell your friends that it's not good to fight. Yes, fighting publicly as well as fighting privately is not good. Hmm? Fighting puts us in bad mood. It will
Excuse me,
spoil
ma'am.
the relationship. So many advices can be given. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am Emil. Emil.
Okay, Emil.
Emil.
Mm.
And ma'am, I written one small advice.
Okay, read the advice that you have written.
Ma'am, fighting is not an answer for your question.
Fighting is not an
Ma'am,
answer
only that. For
for
your question.
okay, for your problem. Okay, fine, good, good. So, children, do you think that relations are very important in our lives? Relationships are important in our lives. Do you agree with the statement?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Of course,
Yes, ma'am.
relationships are very much important. We have relationship with our father, mother, siblings, and when we come to the society, we have a good relationship with our friends, with our teachers, and others. So fighting always creates a bad impact within us, and as well as among others. So, having a very good relationship is very, very important because as long as you live, we have to nurture that relationship. We have to nurture that good relationship. So, being angry at times, being in a very bad mood is not at all a solution. When you find a problem, you have to think and act. That is very important, and it's not good for it's not good to fight for a silly reason. Okay, so when we consider Leo Tolstoy, we discuss that he was a man who advocated non-violence resistance. Yes, he was a person who preferred peace and harmony in his own life as well as in others life. Gandhiji and Tolstoy, they love to solve problems in their lives. Okay, they expected people to have a good kind of living. So in this story, Little Girls Are Wiser, we come across a situation where the two girls fight with each other and how the adults react to it. Okay, so it's very important that we have to learn to resolve conflicts. Conflicts means problems. Problems may come to us at any time, but we have to think wisely and we have to act wisely. Okay, so it's very important that we have to resolve the conflicts peacefully. Otherwise, we will lose the valuable relationships. It's very easy to lose a friend because of the bad word that you have spoken about her. It's very easy to lose a good person who really trusted you because you have betrayed them. So, relationships are very, very important in our lives, and we have to make it intact as long as we are here in this world. Okay, so the little girls are wiser. Let's discuss about the title. What do you think the title is about? The little girls are wiser. Who can give me the answer?
Ma'am, can you say once more?
What do you think about the title, The Little Girls Are Wiser?
Um,
When you hear the title of certain stories, will you be able to understand what could be the story about?
Ma'am, sometimes.
Sometimes. Very good. Sometimes by looking at the title, you will be able to understand what kind of story it is or what the story is trying to convey.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, can I say I don't know whether it's wrong or correct?
That doesn't matter. You're always welcome to say whatever you feel.
Ma'am, like from this story title, I think that it's a story about why something
It's a story about?
like why something happening story wise.
Something happening. Oh my God, who is making that sound? Yes, Smriti.
Ma'am,
Smriti,
the girls.
I'm listening to you. You can
Can I
unmute.
say?
Who is making this sound? Come on, don't get distracted. Listen, Smriti, I'm listening to you. You can unmute.
Ma'am, if story there, there's a fight and maybe it's between two little or more than one. Some girls they have a fight, but they act more wiser than us. They don't simply fight, or maybe they find a solution.
Yes. The fight between two girls happen and they react or they behave wisely when compared to others. Okay, good. Anybody has got a different answer? Yes? Same thing. All right. So the title, the little girls are wiser. Here in the story, we find two little girls who fight with each other, but then they themselves find a solution for it. When compared to the adults, they are much more wiser. That's the meaning of the title. All right. So we will move to the textbook. Everyone, please open your textbook and keep it ready. Children, please open your textbook and keep it ready. I'm going to share the screen for you. Wait, EC board is getting loaded. I hope you all can see the board. Yes, can you all see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
before we begin, I'll be giving you a concept map. And in that concept map, you have to note down various things as we go on with the reading. Okay. So draw columns like this. In the first column, you can write setting. In the second one is time, and the third one is place. Is it clear? In the second column, you have to write main characters. And supporting characters. Okay, so as we proceed with the story, you have to fill all these, and towards the end we will discuss. The fourth column, so you can leave as much as space you need. Okay, I'm just drawing the column. Sorry? Francis Richard, what are you asking? It's not clear for me.
Third column or
Third column, problem. You have to write problem. Fourth one, events. And the final one, resolution. All these columns you have to fill as we proceed with the story. Okay, so the first one, setting, time, place. In the second column, you have to write main characters and supporting characters. In the third column, problem. In the fourth column, events. And fifth column, resolution. Resolution means solution or remedy. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Finish writing?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
what is setting? Setting.
Setting means the story. Where is the story set? The plot of the story is set in a particular um, place.
Ma'am, what do you mean
This
by
one,
event?
this place means the country or the city that refers to. Okay.
Ma'am, what do you mean by the event?
Events. Events means the things that is happening in the story.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am. Like I cannot start my video because it's not like I can. It's unable. That's why.
Children, can you all see the screen?
Yes,
Ma'am, I can see your screen, but like I cannot start my video.
Okay, Verisa. Okay, okay, I understood. That's okay. So I hope you have noted it down.
Yes.
So keep it there with you in your notebook, and we are going to start with the story. Who is going to read? Geetika?
Ma'am.
Start reading.
ma'am.
Read. Everyone, please keep your textbook open and look into it.
Ma'am, can I ask you a question?
Yes, Sian.
Ma'am, what do you mean by resolution?
Resolution means solution for the problem. Okay, solution. Geetika, read.
Okay. It was Easter and snow still lay in the yard. Water from the melting snow ran in the streams down the village street. Two little girls from different houses happened to meet in a lane between two homes, where the dirty water from farms had run down the lane to form a large puddle. One girl was very small, the other a little bigger. Their mother had dressed them both in new frocks. The little one wore a blue frock and the other a yellow prince. They had just come from church when they met.
Yes. Okay, thank you. It was Easter and snow still lay in the yards. Water from the melting snow ran in streams down the village street. So, what time is mentioned here? Or which season of the year is mentioned?
Ma'am,
Easter.
Which season? Which season?
Winter.
Yes, very
Winter.
good. Winter season. Which line suggests that it is winter season?
The snow
Snow.
It was
Snow.
yes, snow still lay in the yard. And what time was it? It was the time of
Easter.
Easter. It was Easter and snow still lay in the yards. Water from the melting snow ran in streams down the village streets. So it is winter season and the water started melting and it was coming very slowly down in streams in the village street. Two little girls from different houses happened to meet in a lane between two homes where the dirty water from the farms had run down the lane to form a large puddle. What do you mean by lane? L-A-N-E, lane.
I'm a path.
Yes?
I'm a path.
Oh, almost correct. A narrow passage. A narrow passage between the hedges. Okay. Narrow passage between the hedges. So two little girls from different houses. So are they siblings?
No, ma'am.
Not at all. Girls are from different houses and they used to meet in a lane between two homes where the dirty water from the farms had run down the lane to form a large puddle. So the dirty water from the farm comes very slowly. It ran down the stream very slowly and it forms a puddle. What do you mean by puddle? Puddle means?
A pool of water gets collected.
Puddle means a pool of water.
Water.
So have you ever played in puddle?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes, some of you have played and some of you have not. Especially in our country during the rainy season, we can see a lot of puddles here and there. Yes, small body of water, small pool of liquid, and children love to play. So here in the story also we find two little girls from different houses. They come to play in the puddle. One girl was very small and the other a little bigger. So what does that suggest? Does that mean the size of the girls? Does that the size of the girls?
Ma'am, the age.
Age, very good. One girl was small, one was younger than the
One was
other.
other.
The other was a little more elder one. Their mothers had dressed them in new frocks. The little one wore a blue frock and the other yellow print. So it was Easter time and the little girls were wearing new frocks.
New frocks.
Do you all feel happy to wear new, good, stylish dresses to the school?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? You would
Yes,
like
ma'am.
to
Yes,
you would like to
ma'am.
come
Yes,
gorgeously
ma'am.
dressed, beautifully dressed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So similarly, these girls are dressed in beautiful frocks. And what was the color of the little girl's frock?
Blue
Blue,
frock.
Blue color. And the other one?
Yellow
print.
Yellow print. What do you mean by print?
Ma'am, print means the design on
Yes, the meaning is already given there in the text. A color, design, or pattern that is marked on clothes. So the two little girls were very gorgeously dressed in new frocks, and the younger one was wearing a blue frock, and the elder one was having a yellow print. They had just come from church when they met. So when they met each other, from where they had come?
From the
Had come from church. Now look at the concept map that you have written in your notebook. What is the first one? Setting, time, place. What is the setting? Where is the story set?
Village.
Yes, very good, very good. The story is set in a village. The setting of the story is done in a village. So you can write village there. What time it is mentioned? Time. Timing means whether it's morning or afternoon or evening.
Morning.
What do you think?
Afternoon.
Morning. How do you say village? Morning.
Morning.
Majority of
Morning.
need answer morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Morning. The timing is morning. And place. Which place it could be? Any idea?
Village street. Village street.
Village street. Okay, village street. But particularly which country it could be? Yes.
Between the lane.
Which
Between two
country it
houses.
could be?
Russia.
Yes, very good. We know that the author is from Russia. So definitely he will be writing about his own home country. So place you can write as Russia. Okay. We'll continue a bit more. Smriti, can you just read the next part?
I don't have. Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, Devika, quickly read.
First, they showed each other their finery and then began to play.
Hmm.
Soon, they began to splash about in the water.
Yes.
The smaller one was going to step into the puddle, shoes and all, when the elder girl said, "Don't go in, Malasha. Your mother will scold you. I will take off my shoes and stockings and you take off yours."
Yes, very good. Thank you, Devika. So, what are the names of these two girls?
Ma'am, Malasha.
Malasha and
Akulya.
Akulya. Yes, that will come in the next paragraph. So, we find the two girls, Malasha and Akulya. Those are the Russian names, I guess. So, we find both the girls wanted to play in the puddle. And when they met each other in the morning, after attending the ceremonies in the church, they showed their fineries. Finery means expensive clothes. They showed their clothes each other. And then they started to play. And here we find that who is the elder one? Who is the elder girl here? What is her name?
Akulya.
Akulya is the elder one. And the smaller one is Malasha. What is the advice given by Akulya to Malasha?
Take your shoes and stockings and you take.
Don't go into the water with your shoes and stockings. I will remove mine and you have to remove yours. Okay. So, what is the nature of the elder one you find? What is the nature of Akulya you find? What
Ma'am,
kind of a
she's
girl
very
she
like
is?
obedient.
About
And
Akulya. What kind of a girl she is? What is a good quality you find in Akulya?
Ma'am,
she
she
take care of her things.
Yes, she takes care of her things. Then,
ma'am, she is very she needs to be very neat.
she needs to be very neat. Okay, she's a person who takes care of personal hygiene or cleanliness. Good. Then anything else? She's very caring. She's very caring of the younger one. She's very protective and caring, and she's also giving a good advice. Okay. So, is this much clear to you, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Almost time for rest, so we have to wind up. Yes.
ma'am.
Are these paragraphs clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Go through the textbook, and I'll be sending you the homeworks today. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, children. I'll meet you in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.